Are you feeling overwhelmed by mounting tax debt and unsure of how to tackle it? You're not alone. Many individuals and businesses find themselves in need of tax resolution services to help them navigate the complex world of taxes and debt relief. But when it comes to resolving your tax issues, should you DIY it or hire a professional? Let's take a look at the pros and cons of DIY tax resolution versus hiring a professional. When you choose to go the DIY route, you have the advantage of saving money on professional fees. You can also have more control over the process and timeline of resolving your tax issues. However, DIY tax resolution can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with tax laws and regulations. On the other hand, hiring a professional tax resolution service can provide you with expert guidance and support throughout the process. These professionals have the knowledge and experience to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws and negotiate with the IRS on your behalf. They can also help you explore options for debt relief, such as installment agreements or offers in compromise. So, which option is right for you? It ultimately depends on your individual situation and comfort level with handling taxes. If you're confident in your ability to navigate tax laws and negotiate with the IRS, DIY tax resolution may be a good option for you. However, if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure of where to start, hiring a professional tax resolution service may be the best choice. Whatever option you choose, it's important to take action sooner rather than later to address your tax issues. Whether you decide to DIY it or hire a professional like those found at ITWS Financial Services, make sure to do your research and choose a reputable tax resolution service that can help you achieve a positive outcome. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey to resolving your tax debt.